Graders, as we've gone through the year, we've done lots of number stories, and I wanted to review how it's always important to use your hands to tell number stories. We'll do the one on the screen as an example. Sam has 5 red tomatoes and 3 green tomatoes. How many tomatoes does he have in all? I wanted to remind you that with words like in all or all together, we bring our hands together. And whenever our hands come together like that, it's our symbol that we would add for that math problem. So since he had 5 and 3, and we wanted to know how many in all, this would definitely be an addition problem. So as we look at our answers here, our choice would definitely be 5 plus 3 equals 8. Now, some number stories can get more complex and can actually have 2 steps where we have to decide whether to add or subtract. Let's do the example on the screen. The team has 9 players. 2 players quit the team. Notice that I had them go away. After that, 5 players joined the team, and you'll notice that those players come onto the team. How many players are there now? As we look at our choices, we have to think, what happened first? Is it 9 plus 2 equals 11 or 9 minus 2 equals 7? We said there were 9 players and 2 went away. So it would make sense that as we look at our choices, the 9 minus 2, since 2 players went away, would be the one that would make sense. We would then have 7. As we look up our math problem, it also says that later 5 players joined them. So we now know there are 7 and 5 more come onto the team and join them. If they join, that means they come to them. And again, as we look at our choices, it would make sense that 7 plus 5 would equal 12 then. So I wanted to remind you today, as you do our assignment on number stories, please make sure that you use your hands to tell the number stories. And really watch for those coming together, all together and all, and when something goes away.